Maybe if we go downhill. Buddha, come on. Lila.
Butter. Butter. Bud. Come on, bud. Bud.
Patches. Hey. Patches. Look at me. Hey.
He landed on his feet. Your catnip, Milo.
It's okay, go to sleep.
Here, let go of him. I want to show him coming out.
Ready? On the left? On the right. Left? Right. More sit-ups, now we can go higher. He needs to sit up. We gotta work those tummies. You see his abs? We got little dots for abs.
Charlotte.
Look at him. He's still going in a circle. Look at him.
That's what you do. Time to put her on a diet. Come on, Zoe. Yeah. And she still has the kitty.
Continues to overwhelm me every day. I'm believing more and more that this is worth it. So with that, thank you. And it's time to fight that I don't love.
Roll over. Roll over. Alright.
Oh my god.
We almost made it.
Yo, this is the greatest thing ever.
you gas me so much? Why are you doing that? Oh. Oh. Kelly's. Kelly's. Kelly's.
My big kitty cat.
He's too heavy, isn't he?
Tommy, do another sit-up. Good boy. You gonna do another one? Come on, let's go for 3. You need to lose that. Whoa, good job.
Oh my god.
Fatty Moto, what are you doing?
You should have made him stop.
On the next one. So 8,500. That's a deal. I'm good with that. Thomas will ride and have a high assist turnover game going on in terms of how he has valued the ball. But I'm not sure he's a pro guard. But he doesn't have
Too fat.
NBA speed and quick.
Ate too much.
Oh, Matt. Oh.
What are you doing?
Set it to where once a day it goes around and just vacuums the whole house. I got a leather sofa, so that way it doesn't stick to it. The deck is done.
Sophie, come on. Sophie.
Yeah, you have a brother. Okay. Make sure he gets. You have a job. Yeah. Okay. And what are you gonna be doing on your?
Does he want to vacuum? He does. Look at Spencer. Ah, good boy. We're going to vacuum that extra fur right off of you. Good boy.
Did you get that, please?
Hold on, baby.
That baby?
No.
Really, this is what.
Alright, let's try this again. I know this works. I've been here before.
Here we go. I'm gonna put my head in first.
Miles.
He's so huge and fat. Look at him on his legs. Ah,
That's enough.
she stopped. There she did. She would do it again.
Don't.
All right.